Hey, this is Dr. Amanda with Straight Smile Solutions, and hey, we got another unboxing video for you. This time I got a box in the mail last night from TP Orthodontics. Just to give you some background, TP Orthodontics is a company based in, I believe, Indiana. They've been around since the 40s, so they're pretty much the OG orthodontic company here in the US. They have everything you need from brackets, wires, anything you need for an orthodontics company. But also they're venturing into the kind of aligner space, and they have a full in-house lab too, where they offer tons of different positioning appliances. That's really what they're known for, and just any type of expanders, Schwartzes, sagittals, any type of orthodontic appliance retainers that you may need. So super excited that they sent me this box. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and kind of start pulling some stuff out. So let's see what they got for me. So first thing I see, I did ask for a copy of their aligners, and oops, let's see what they said. These aligners are called Refine aligners. They sent me upper and lower trays. The material is 030 Trutane, okay? So let's see what this feels like. I like to compare apples to apples, so I can tell you it's a very good retentive. I didn't need my Audi. So this is the material. Trim is definitely a straight line trim. Pretty rigid. It kind of feels in my hands a lot like a Vivera. That's what I would say it's kind of like if I had to compare it to something, a Vivera kind. So yeah, so they do have aligners. I think that's great. Always good to get an off-brand aligner company. They also sent me a ton of information about their finisher appliances. They call them pre-finishers. Pre-finisher appliances are appliances that basically help to finish your orthodontic case, whether you're doing aligners or you're doing braces. You want to get those things off early. You don't want to struggle with those last minute little twists and bends, refinements, or anything like that. There's been a solution for ages, and that's the positioner. And I think most general dentists have no idea what a positioner is. They have both custom and semi-custom options, which is cool because they're not stock. So I think that's great. And positioners are fantastic. This is what they look like. Off-label, I can tell you 10 other things they could be used for as well besides, but their $529 is only for use as a positioner, which would be straightening teeth after aligners or braces. But great, to straighten teeth. You can take those, you don't have to worry about that refinement, just wear this. I think the first 2 days you wear it 24 hours a day. So maybe great to start on a weekend. And then after that, I think you're wearing it just nighttime and when you're home around 16 hours a day, just for a few months. This will give you the perfect result at the end. And then a lot of people use these as the retainers later, or you can get a different retainer. So you can see it's pretty rigid, but it's also has a lot of elasticity built into it. They also put in retentive clips in here to help to keep it in the mouth. So that's pretty neat. Then they sent me an entire box of positioners. This is the semi-custom. This is where you basically can size your positioner for your patient. So it sounds like to me that you can stock these in your office. There's a ruler that's given. There's tons of sizes here, and it teaches you how to size them. So you can just be like, okay, you definitely match this size. We'll size this for you. And we'll, just dispense this instead of doing a refinement or a revision so that your case can be done faster. And they show you how to size it. So I think that's really neat. I'm a huge fan of any type of retainer like this because it really does promote nasal breathing, and I think that's great. And there's a lot of forgiveness if you do not wear your retainers for a little bit and you put one of these back in, it's gonna get all straight again. So I just really think I'm very uncomfortable in general with finishing an orthodontic, even an Invisalign case, just in 2 sets of Invisalign plastic because the bite is never fully interdigitated. So I think this is if you're not going to do a regular wraparound Holly retainer, this is probably the best option after every single one of your aligner cases to do this kind of positioner. And then you can have it be a retainer later, or you can go into your traditional Essex after that. You're gonna give every single one of your patients that perfect cusp-phosphor relationship, that perfect, full balanced occlusion relationship. So their price points on these are not bad either at all, and it sounds like you can stock them and just measure and dispense them to your patients. So I have a lot of different other options, that where maybe they could go, directions they could go with these appliances, but for now, this is how they're using them. So in any case, exciting. Do contact my friend Julianne at TPO Orthodontics. Woo! And So excited I dropped it. Julianne will tell you all about the finishing position or appliances and anything else you want to do, whether you want to try their aligner system or any of the other lab products, or if you're doing indirect bonding and you want to use their braces, I think that's great too. All right, over and out. Dr. Amanda here, Straight Smile Solutions. Keep those questions coming. And thank you for TP Ortho for sending me that care package for my unboxing video. I love them. All right, thanks so much. Bye-bye.